Hey everybody, welcome to DSWA Toy Club. Today we're going to be opening Matchbox on a mission. Got a cool little boat, big boat actually, with 2 cars and a helicopter. And
one man-eating shark.
No, not a man-eating shark. I see it. Alright, and then there's something to catch the shark with too, it looks like.
It's a shark grabber. See on the back, it says grab the shark.
Okay, flip it on around. Let's see what it looks like on the back side. Oh, cool. So, you actually play with this in the bathtub or in the swimming pool.
Or in the big swimming pool.
I know, you can play with this everywhere. Alright, good deal, man. Well, let's open it up and take a look at the pieces, and maybe we'll take it for a test run out in our swimming pool. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and we got this cool new playset opened up. Got our shark in the shark catcher there. Man, he looks pretty mean. And what else do we get? 2 cars and a helicopter. Push that car around and let's see what it does. Oh, cool. It's got a little boat that sends out into the water. Bless you. Goodness, you allergic to water? Allergic to boats?
No, I'm just allergic to sharks.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, I'm just allergic to cyclones.
Cool. Take the helicopter off of there and show everybody the helicopter. Man, look at that.
Its little propellers spin around.
Oh, cool. And it looks like that thing on the front of the boat is a water cannon. I want to get that out in the pool and see what happens. You gotta fill it up with water and then squeeze it maybe. And you can take it off too, can't you? Pull it out of there. It just pops out, I think. Can you get it? Well, there you go.
See, folks.
Alright, cool. So that thing pops out and pops right back in there.
It's easy to pop out and in.
Alright, take the shark out and let's see the shark. That was a big old great white shark. It's been the year of the shark here in North Carolina, so the only shark we want to see is in the swimming pool. Pretend, right? Alright, look at that. Man, he can scoop him right up.
He's gonna try to get the cyclops.
Oh no. He got him, didn't he? It's better to get with that than the shark to get him, huh? He saved him. Alright, well, let's take this out to the swimming pool and let's see what it does. Let's see if it really floats.
I also forgot to show you something, folks.
Oh.
When you push the top fin, when you push the top shark fin, his mouth opens and he bit the cyclops.
Oh no. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. And we are in the pool out back here on a nice hot August day. And
August the 3rd.
August the 3rd, is that today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see what this thing will do. Let's shoot that water cannon and see what... Oh man, you got me. I'm all wet. And it does float. Why don't you put one of the cars up at the top and run the car down, and let's see if it'll drop that car off on the boat in the water.
We got some special guests hiding in the back of the boat.
Well, let's see who you got there.
Special guests. Let's come out and show.
Oh, sweet. Who is that?
The Cyclops and the Queen.
Okay, so Imaginext guys.
The new ones.
Alright. So what are they going to do on the boat?
They're going to ride on it.
Okay.
They're going to ride before the shark comes.
I see that old shark. Ooh, he's got a big mouth too, doesn't
He can chomp the boat.
he? Man, we don't want him to chomp too hard, do we? Sink the ship. Are they going to catch him?
Yes, they did.
Alright.
They catched him.
They caught him, huh? Well, what do you think, man? 2 thumbs up or 1 thumb up?
2.
2. That's a good play set, huh? Floats and everything.
Actually, 4 thumbs up.
4 thumbs up. How you gonna do that? You only got 2 thumbs.
Well, I can do 2 of these and now 2 of these.
Wow, sweet.
4 thumbs up.
Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you get back to playing. Let's tell everybody bye and thanks for watching, and
Bye.
be sure to subscribe to our channel.
Bye, everybody. Make sure you subscribe and comment. Tell us what your favorite part of the boat or car or plane or that shark.
Yeah, I think my favorite was the shark. What do you think?
My favorite was that boat.
The boat itself?
Just the boat.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next